Hi friends, today I am going to draw this stem. First I am drawing the stem part. I thought it is too broad, that's why I am drawing another line. Then I am arranging the previous line. Now I am giving the marks for the leaves. So I am arranging the placements. I am putting marks for the leaves, for the placement of the leaves. After that I am drawing the shape of the leaf. This picture I am drawing from a book, but it is always better drawing from nature, from life. Anyhow, start from anywhere. It is always better to draw anything from anywhere, from book or from life. I did some paintings and some drawings from life and nature also. I didn't shoot them, but it is very useful when you draw from nature, when you draw different leaves, different flowers, different plants from the nature. It is a wonderful learning process. Really, after finishing your drawings, when you see that plant next time, when you observe that leaves, you will find the fine details in those leaves. That is one of the benefits in the drawing. So now we have completed that sketching part. Now I am drawing that final leaf, last leaf in this picture. Now I am arranging that unwanted lines and guidelines also. After that I am trying to give that outline with black gel pen. Now I am using the black gel pen. Friends, try to draw different leaves and different pictures from books and from life. Try to create more drawings. It will increase your muscle power. Friends, are you drawing at least one picture a day? Maybe it is small or big. Maybe it is take 5 minutes or 1 hour. It is nothing problem about that. But try to draw at least one picture, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes for a day. Spend some time in drawing, sketching, painting. It will be very useful, and it will create more positive changes in our other areas. Now my favorite and interesting part, coloring. I'm giving the whole picture I'm giving the color with a brush pen, green color. When we filling those colors, it is like a soothing effect on us. Did you observe that? I didn't even like to shoot it. That's why after finishing 1 or 2 leaves, I stopped the video and completely involved in that process in coloring.